It's so unusual and it sounds weird, but don't knock it until you try it. I was making something for a baby shower and I was like, I probably should video this because it's a family recipe. This is called curry dip. It's not very difficult, but it's very delicious. And I was gonna show you my spread for veggies and apples. It takes, you can dip it with apples too. But anyways, I just wanted to show you. And I will put the recipe below so you guys can see it in like tablespoons and cups and stuff. I know that's easier for most people. So instead of measuring with your heart, as they say. All right, thank you. Bye. So here's the recipe for curry dip. So I just added sour cream, about a half a cup. And then I did about 1.5 to 2 cups of mayonnaise. I'm going to add a little bit of lemon. All right, so I have turmeric. I'm gonna add just a dash. It's mainly just for the color. And there is also turmeric in curry powder. Then we add curry powder. So that's about 2 tablespoons. So that's a generous amount. I love the smell of curry, and so do my children. Curry powder. Then you can use fresh garlic. I am too lazy this morning, and it says you can also use powdered garlic. So I'm gonna do 1.5 tablespoons of powdered garlic. Then I'm going to do 4 tablespoons, it says. I'm gonna just kind of do a handful. And then we thoroughly mix this. And a pinch of salt. So it's a teaspoon. This is what it should look like. All right, so cheers. It's so unusual and it sounds weird, but don't knock it until you try it. I love it. If you even slightly like curry, highly recommend trying this dip. It's unusual and it's fun to bring to parties. Time to get ready for the day, and you guys have a great day. Bye. It's a recipe that my great aunt Joanne makes. She's 95 now, and she was or is the ultimate host and every party. That was at every party. And the dip called clam dip, which kind of tastes like stuffing. It's like a hot clam dip. But anyways, I just love that recipe, and it reminds me of my great aunt Joanne. Yeah, so please like and subscribe and try the dip. I think you'll really like it if you try it at your next party. Bye.